Finance Example 7B. Zach and Betsy just had their first baby. The new grandparents tell them to start a college fund right now, so they do some research. Using the college cost projector at Vanguard.com, they found that a 4-year education at a public four-year college that costs $29,000 a year, including room and board, will cost $300,813 in 18 years, assuming a 5% increase in cost annually. If an account earns 4% interest compounded monthly, how much money do they need to deposit now in order to have enough for the baby's college education? Just to give you an idea, when we first did these notes, we had the cost at $20,770 a year for a total of $215,440. That just tells you how quickly these costs are increasing. So it's best to get ahead of things right now, and this is what this family wants to do. Now, when we figure this amount out, you will think there is no way that anybody could possibly do that. Well, this is just going to set us up for another type of investment in a couple of pages here. So just bear with us. So we want this $300,813 later in the future, 18 years from now. So our A is going to be $300,813. We're looking at 18 for our time. We don't know the principal. Our rate is, 4% here. Okay, and we said compounded monthly. So our N is 12. All right, so again, we want one deposit. How much do we have to deposit now? And we want to end up with that $300,813. So we're looking for our principal. So 1 plus, there's our 4% divided by 12. And then our N times T. So our N is 12, our T is 18. And when I multiply that 12 times 18, I get 216. Okay, now let's figure out what our principal will be. And again, I'm dividing by this whole thing. So we have a choice of doing the $300,813 divided by this expression. We'll go ahead and figure that out now. And we get $146,596.83. Okay, that's quite a bit of money there, right? And again, since that seems overwhelming to you right now, in a page or so, we'll figure out, is there an easier way to save up for this college education?